Hey guys, welcome back to the CJ Pony Parts YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, and today we are installing the Roush open box intake system. So this kit uses your stock intake tubes, but it does replace your stock filters, and it gives you a little peekaboo box cover. So this kit adds up to 30% more airflow than other competitors, and the installation requires no recalibration or extra parts. All right, now let's get it installed. I did it. So the first step of this removal process is pretty simple. You just need to take off this factory airbox cover. Next up, you'll remove your air filter. So the Roush air filter has a little notch right here that fits into a pocket in the air intake box. After the bolt is reinstalled, you can tighten down your air filter. So that is it for the Roush intake kit install. It's pretty simple. It took us maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and you can hear definitely a little bit more sound than stock. This kit is available at cjponyparts.com, and while you're there, make sure to enter for our giveaways at cjponyparts.com/giveaways. We always have tons going on, whether it's $1,000 gift cards, some of the parts you see us install, or top products from our favorite vendors. That is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.